There are a lot of things you can do to make your home perfect. Most people think of things like installing a home theater system, or maybe even a jacuzzi. But there is one thing that many homeowners overlook, and it's something that can affect your family's overall health and home enjoyment more than almost anything else. It's your indoor air quality. Maintaining excellent indoor air quality is an important consideration if you own a new home or if you're renovating an existing one. In the past, keeping home air fresh was less challenging. Older homes were heated with chimney-vented furnaces and built to be less airtight. Also, before the 1980s, very few homes were air-conditioned. This meant windows were open most of the year, making it easier for fresh air to get into the home. But those drafty older homes were too hot in the summer and too cold in the winter. And those old furnaces and open windows made for more costly energy bills. In recent years, modern technologies have reduced uncomfortable home drafts. This has probably been great for your energy bills, but these innovations have reduced overall indoor air freshness and quality too. Fortunately, there's now an easy way to take total control of your indoor air quality. It's called a whole house fresh air system. These systems, also known as balanced ventilation or air exchanger units, act like the lungs of your home, keeping air fresh and comfortable for your family. Without a fresh air system in place, home air can get stale, either becoming too dry, which can lead to irritated skin, bloody noses, and damage to wood furniture and flooring, or too humid, which can lead to mold, mildew, and dampness that build up on interior surfaces, leading to costly repairs. Airtight homes also lead to the buildup of numerous indoor air pollutants. Nasty substances that can make your clothes, carpets, and upholstery smell, and can even aggravate allergies, asthma, and other health conditions. Your fresh air system will easily remove all those nasty air pollutants, while bringing in fresh air and maintaining air pressure. Plus, by filtering all incoming air, your air exchanger can actually make air cleaner than it is outside. That's a lot better than just opening a window. And a fresh air system will let you enjoy reduced energy consumption too. In fact, today's top fresh air systems use as little electricity as a single light bulb. How's that for a bright idea? Of course, our air exchangers also meet all the latest building code requirements and energy-efficient standards. And if it's a Venmar air exchanger, you know you can count on it. Visit venmar.ca to learn more.